What if I told you doctors gave patients fake medicine, no chemicals, no real treatment, and somehow they still got better? Sounds impossible, right? But this actually happened, and it reveals a hidden power inside your brain that scientists are still trying to understand. In medicine, we expect treatments to work because of chemicals or drugs. But sometimes, healing happens even without real medicine. This strange phenomenon shocked scientists around the world. This effect is called the placebo effect. It happens when a patient feels better after taking a fake treatment. The surprising part? The brain actually plays a huge role in this process. Doctors started noticing something strange during clinical trials. Some patients who received sugar pills reported real improvements, even though the pills had no active ingredients at all. One of the earliest studies dates back to the 20th century. Researchers wanted to test if new medicines actually worked, so they compared real drugs with fake ones. To their surprise, many patients improved with the fake pills too. Their pain reduced, their mood improved, and symptoms faded. This confused scientists and led to deeper research. During World War II, a doctor named Beecher made a shocking discovery. He ran out of painkillers while treating wounded soldiers, so he injected them with saline water, but told them it was morphine. Amazingly, many soldiers reported less pain. Some even became calm and relaxed after the injection. Their belief in the treatment changed their experience of pain. This led scientists to explore how powerful belief really is. They realized the brain can influence the body more than we think. Expectations alone can trigger real physical responses. The brain releases chemicals like endorphins when it expects relief. These are natural painkillers produced by the body. So even fake medicine can activate real healing pathways. Brain scans have shown activity changes during placebo treatments. Areas linked to pain and emotion respond differently. This proves the effect is not just in your head. It's real. Interestingly, the placebo effect works better in some conditions. It is especially powerful in pain, depression, and anxiety. These are areas where the brain strongly influences the body. But it's important to understand one thing clearly. Placebos don't cure serious diseases like cancer or infections. They mainly help with symptoms, not the root cause. Doctors still use placebos in clinical trials today. They help compare real treatments against psychological effects. This ensures medicines actually work beyond belief. Sometimes, even knowing it's a placebo still works. This is called an open-label placebo. It shows how complex and powerful the brain truly is. The doctor-patient relationship also matters a lot. If a patient trusts the doctor, the placebo effect increases. Trust itself becomes part of the treatment. Even the color and size of pills can affect results. Larger pills or bright colors may feel stronger to patients. This changes how the brain reacts to them. This raises ethical questions in medicine. Is it okay to give fake treatments if they help patients feel better? Doctors must balance honesty with patient care. The placebo effect shows something incredible. Your mind is not separate from your body. They work together in ways we are only beginning to understand. So next time you take medicine, remember this. Part of the healing might come from your own brain. Your belief, your expectation, might be more powerful than you think. If you like this video, please do subscribe and share this video like this.